are you all doing? Happy New Year. Are we still saying Happy New Year? Yeah, it's Happy New Year till March. Or maybe till Valentine's Feb. Yeah, so Happy New Year, guys. I hope that you all are keeping well. Welcome to another interesting video. This video, you're gonna love it so much. So we are going to redo our home and add a little bit of things here and there. Our walls are too blank, they are too plain, and we just want to do something interesting with them. So yeah, this video is about that. We're going to install floating shelves and just do amazing work with our walls. I don't want to preempt so many things because I want you to enjoy the vlog. So welcome to Davon's Lifestyle. If it's your first time here, by the way, karibu sana. This is Davon's Lifestyle and we offer content in regards to lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and couples and marriage. So yeah, so if that is something you like to watch, karibu sana. If you're our returning subscriber, we love you. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you really love this video, give this video a thumbs up and love hearts in the comment section. And in case you're interested in anything, any of their purchases, just let me know in the comments and I will sure plug you. We came to pick our floating shelf from our fundi, but we found that he's not done. He's just doing the final touches. But my man decided to help out. Oh, how cute is that? Love, uko job? Munagawana hiyo mshahara.
Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha det som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken är ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i men när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag kan vara som
wanted to achieve a modern home, a modern feel of our home, and whatever we've done, for real, for us, it looks so beautiful, and we feel it has brought the modern vibe in our space. And the first thing that we got for this wall is a floating shelf. You have seen them before. You have seen how this place was. So we decided to get a floating shelf. And the reason why we got a floating shelf is because our space is not as big. We are limited in terms of space. So having a TV stand would occupy so much space, because maybe the stands and everything, we just wanted to like make sure like there's enough light going under so that we can have like a bigger space. So the idea of a floating shelf was perfect for us. Another thing, we wanted a black floating shelf because you have white in your houses. So yeah, we preferred black, and black goes so well with our theme colors. It's actually so big, and then it is partitioned in three sections, as you can see here. And yeah, this looks so beautiful. The first section here, we're putting our laptop. This is my laptop. Love, I don't know what this is you've put here. And then there's this affirmation calendar that is over here. And then on this side here are the remotes, our Wi-Fi, and then we've put our gadgets over here, our camera. This is the DJI camera because we use it a lot, so we need it somewhere close. And then on this side, these are our books, the books that we are currently reading, our Bible, and then candle. So that's what's inside. And then on top, this is where I love so much. So let me start on this side. This is a beautiful home diffuser. You've seen me unbox it. It smells so good. And then we have our soundbar on top. And then on this side, we have a vase. I love this vase so much. We've been having this vase for the longest. So now we got these artificial plants. It's actually an artificial flower, a lily. It looks so good. It looks so real. Like these ones are about to bloom, and then the rest have bloomed. This flower is just so beautiful. So yeah, that's our TV walls. Then on this side, this space looks so beautiful. We just wanted every corner of this house to be photo friendly or video friendly, because of course we are content creators. So this is our door, this is the entryway. So our console is over here. We couldn't get it here because of space again, so we brought it over here. It is mounted on the wall, as you guys can saw. It's black in color, and then it has a shelf inside for storage. I just love how it's just plain over here. It's just so simple, not so many details. I love it so much. It's black, again matching with the TV stand. And then on top of it, we have decor pieces. Guys, we are going to get more decor pieces for this space and for our home, but so far this is what we have, and they look so beautiful. If you need anything, if you want anything, please let me know in the comments, and I will plug you where we got. So we have this cute vase over here. It looks so good. We haven't put anything because it looks so beautiful as a decor piece. And then here we have this cute little guy who's just seated like this, thinking. Look at the pose. I love this so much. I wish I can get this in white. If you know anywhere I can get this in white, please let me know. But I love this so much. It's such a unique statement piece. I love it. And then on this side, this is a candle holder, but we're going to use it as a decor piece. Then the star of the show, this, I don't know if the camera is doing this wallet justice. My lord, this thing is so beautiful, guys. You can see it has like rhinestones inside. It's just giving luxury. It's just so beautiful. And then the frame is in gold. You guys can see this is so beautiful. I love it so much. We wanted something that will go with what we have on our photo gallery because we have almost similar frames. Yeah, we didn't buy them in the same place, but we wanted something as close and we got. So this is what we have in here, and we love it so much. One thing about our house, we have really long wall, so we wanted to do things with the wall so that it can just not seem so long. So that's why we did floating shelves. So we have this first floating shelf, of course black in color for the theme, and then on top we have this beautiful decor piece. I love this so much. So it's a plant inside, and then it has a black vase that matches with our theme colors, and then the gold wire mesh on top. I love this so much. So yeah, this is what we have here. And then next to it is a flower vase that we're using as a deco piece, white in color, so beautiful. I love the shape, I love everything about it. So this is sitting next to this. That's what we have for deco on this one. And then floating shelf, that is above me. You guys, this is purely for deco. I cannot even reach it. As you can see, it's so high. It's another one. It's okay, again black in color, and then on top of it we have this beautiful deco piece that's written family, for our cute little family. I love this so much because we have another one written home, so I wanted, the minute I saw family, I'm like, yes, sign me up. So yeah, this is family. So we have this one over here, and then on this side we have a flower vase. By the way, guys, you can use flower vases as deco pieces, okay? So you can see inside you can put things. Actually, you can even use it as a holder or anything you want, but we're using it for decor in the meantime. I love it so much. I love that it's round and in white. So this is sitting next to the family. Then the last floating shelf that we have is next to our door. The reason why we have this floating shelf over here is because our electronic, like wiring and everything, is over here. So we wanted something that will cover this and just remove attention from this place. So the first thing that we have here is an anchor. So this is a ship anchor. It's very sentimental to us. This we were gifted as a gift at our wedding. That's the reason it's in silver and we still keep it despite of it not being gold. The person who gave us is very close to our hearts. So it's a ship anchor, and then if you can see over here, it has 2 candles. This thing is very meaningful to us because she told us that the foundation of Christianity is based on an anchor. Yes, I don't want to go deep, but yes, foundation, like the way you anchored in Christ, Nini. So she told us, may our marriage be anchored in Christ always. And then we have 2 candles representing my love and I, to always keep burning the love and the fire and everything. Yeah, so that's why we have this. We love it so much. So yeah, the anchor is here. And then next to the anchor, this is a diffuser. We love this diffuser so much because our kitchen is just next, it's just over here. So, and when you're coming in, we want you to feel the nice aroma of our home. So we have one diffuser near the door. And then on this other side, this last thing, it's a tree. Should I call it a tree? Or yeah, this is a tree. This is not a flower because how it's structured. It's a tree, and then there's a rock here, and then there are like bushes growing next to it. And this one does not require a vase. That's why it has this rock. So you just place it the way it is. So yeah, more green in the house. Greens, actually, they just make, plants make your space look so beautiful. So this is here. So yes guys, this is all we've managed to do so far. It's so beautiful. I know you know that it's beautiful. If you know they are beautiful, please tell us in the comments. We want to see your response. We want to hear your response. So tell us in the comments, and in case you want any deco piece, because we bought them in different places, so if you need to be plugged of anything, please just say in the comments, and for sure we will plug you guys.